Back to work, back to play.
Check it out, y'all. I'm in beautiful Malta on our 2-week vacation. Heather's behind the camera. Lucky for her, even though we just flew 24 hours, she gets a tune-up today. I don't, and my neck and my shoulder are killing me. So I'm in a predicament that many of you have been in before, which is you're on vacation or you're looking to refer a friend or family member to find a really good chiropractor and you don't really know where to start. I also get super nervous when I'm going to a new chiropractor because not all chiropractors are created equal. Some have more training and more expertise. So here are 4 tips on how you can find a good chiropractor wherever the heck you are in the world.
Okay, I am in Malta and trying to find a chiropractor. I asked the concierge in the hotel for a recommendation, no luck. So here I am using Google. I'm gonna look around on the map and see who's nearby. I went with sports chiropractor Valletta, and it looks like there's a few options. And I'm only here for a little while, so I'm trying to get really quick results, not be told that I need to come back 15 or 20 times. So this American Chiropractic Malta might be a better option for me. So again, I'm looking around to see what I can find as far as a bio or a CV to talk about this person's training. So what I really want to see is board certified in sports. So that's a CCSP, a certified chiropractic sports physician. That means the person's board certified as a sports doc. They're able to give you tons of stuff to do at home, assess what's going on quickly, and get you back to competing right away. So let's see what we have here. It doesn't look like he is a sports guy, but he does have a diploma in chiropractic neurology, which is showing me that he has done a lot of extra training, is board certified. So I like that. Although it's not my ideal, he focuses on brain injury and rehab probably after that, which isn't really going to help my shoulder or neck situation. But I like that he's done some extra training. Yeah, here, as you can see, not a lot of information as far as extra training. One of the other things I want to see is that the person has some soft tissue training. This person, Dr. Fitzpatrick, has a little bit of chironeurology training as well, but I'm looking for ART or Graston. You'll see a little registered trademark next to each one of those because they're a special training program where in order to be able to say that you've done it, you have to have completed a bunch of extra training. So let's see if there's anyone else who might be a decent option. But right now, I'm not feeling like I'm in an awesome situation. But that's what it's like when you travel. I don't know. The take home I really want to make sure that you guys get, so it isn't just about me, is the first thing you want to do is you want to find a chiropractor or recommendation there on the ground. So if you could ask someone either in the hotel or friends or someone there, that's the best bet. The second best is to go online to Yelp or Google, find someone or find what people are recommending in the area. In this case, Yelp isn't here, so I'm only left to deal with Google. The second thing is you want a sports chiropractor because they're going to be able to get you better really, really quickly. And then you want someone who has some extra training in soft tissue so that they're addressing the muscle component with the spasm and all that. So for that, I'm looking for ART or Graston technique. And then the last piece is sort of the magic, which everyone gets really excited about when they're in our office because all of our docs do it, is applied kinesiology, but it's really rare to find someone who does that. So a sports chiropractor who does applied kinesiology and some Graston is sort of like a unicorn. If you find that person, definitely let me know, because I need to make sure that they're in my Rolodex. But actually, if you find anyone there that you really like when you're traveling, or if you refer a loved one who's out of state and they give you good feedback, I'd love to hear that. I'm trying to build out a network of really high-end sports chiropractors that I feel comfortable referring to. In the meantime, you could check out our website. I'm trying to find it, but go to YouTube and check out our videos, and you can go ahead and start trying to do some stuff in your hotel right now to try to alleviate. We have a bunch of videos there, and feel free to explore it. Look forward to hearing an update when you get back into town. See you in the office soon.
They hurt too much. I'm not good.
Subscribe Proactive Chiropractic.